Whakaalofa atu mākou. I'm here at the Urahu Trinity Church. One of the MPs from Niue has come to New Zealand to discuss matters, what's happening in the village. Yeah. If you don't know Hikutavake MP, it's Ian Hipa, and he's come to talk to the people of the village to see what they want to do with their places back on the island. Yeah, it's a great initiative. I think this is one of the first of its kind. People from Niue coming here to connect with the people of New Zealand. Lots of people, longa tau tangata Niue no nofi New Zealand. So yeah, big community. I think you guys know there's a lot of Niue people living in New Zealand, haven't been back, so there's a lot of houses there that needs to be repaired, renovated, or just need some work done to it. So I think that's what the talk about is today. So looking forward to it. There's quite a few people that's arrived, and it should be quite interesting.
Salamu fumotongu ni behemai. Ihowa pehaku alene mamuhei. Tulaka ifemena keno. It's my cousin Herx.
Hey, what's going on? You meet again?
There to support the cause.
Robert, Sean in Tubanga,
Tanga toa e matua tane, roko matala e matua kapena.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Man, tō tahi mitake e whono. Awesome event. Had to leave early because whanau ke whakakia le veke mangawhau hako. Just gotta go and make sure my kids are well fed as well and things are sorted at home. But yeah, awesome. I think awesome questions, awesome answers. So hopefully from here something special will come out of the Hikutavake village. Yeah, it was great. One thing I noticed was that people were grateful for the Lilifu, for Minister Ian coming from Niue to come and even acknowledge the people living in New Zealand. Yeah, so it's a good start. It's a good place to start from, especially for people who don't know where to go or where to start. Like for myself, if my mum wasn't around, I would be lost, like how to start. If I had land in Niue, or if I had something, where to go, what to do. Yeah, one guy mentioned you know, because you talk about family and family land, like how far back do you go, you know, to how far back do you go to say that's where you're from, that's your land. But it was a good question and a good answer too. Like that whono wasn't about land issues, it was more about if you have a house in Niue that you know is yours, you know, it's here to fix it, pricing, how to go about it, and what can be done. You know, starting from the basics, you know, just you have a house, you know it's yours, everyone knows it's yours, the people there, the people here, and how to improve it, because there's a lot of houses in Niue that needs improvement. So yeah, whewhelehi au whoki mai eke ke whelewea mo Ian and Emmy mo tau tangata mga whaua. So my uncle Farmer, that was cool to see him. Peter, part of my Nafo group, my cousin. Herx, he's the plaster, #1 plaster in Niue. And my sister Miss, was good to see her, my dad and my mum. And yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, watch out, great things to come to Hikutavake. And yeah, we'll keep you updated. Okay, kia monuina. Tô whelewea.